Augustine of Hippo de Magistro, Episode 6. Augustinus, nescire te arbitror, non ab aliud nobis praeceptum esse, ut in clausis cubiculis oremus, quo nomine significantur mentis penetralia, nisi quod Deus, ut nobis quod cupimus praestet, cum memorari aut doceri nostra locutione non quaerit. This sentence is just a portion of a much longer reply that Augustine makes to his son Adeodatus. It was too long for this episode. We'll take it in the next. He begins by saying, nescire te, that you do not know, I judge, or I judge that you are unaware. Te is masculine, singular, and accusative. It's the accusative subject of nescire. I judge that you are not aware. And now we get the object of nescire, of what Adeodatus is unaware, that you are not aware that not ab aliud praeceptum nobis esse, that it was not ordered us, it was not prescribed or commanded to us for another reason, ab aliud, and then we will find out what the precept was, ut in clausis cubiculis oremus, that we should pray in closed rooms, clausis cubiculis. We are then told what this means, by which expression, quo nomine, is meant or are indicated the inner or hidden places of the mind, the penetralia mentis. Penetralia is neuter plural and nominative. It is a substantive adjective from this adjective penetralis, and it is the subject of significantur. Mentis in the feminine singular genitive is dependent upon it. By which expression is meant the inner places of the mind. So we are commanded to pray in the clausis cubiculis, in closed rooms, which expression means the inner chambers of the mind, non ab aliud, for no other reason except nisi, except that God, ut praestet, in order that he may offer to us quod cupimus, what we desire. He does not seek or ask, quaerit, to be reminded or to be taught, nostra locutione, by our speech. The subject of quaerit then is Deus, and the object of quaerit is the ut clause, ut praestet. Praestet's object is quod cupimus, and commemorari and doceri. He does not seek to be reminded or to be taught by us, nostra locutione, which is feminine singular, and instrumental ablative, ablative of means or instrument.